Jamaica's worst gamer.
Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S Gamer here with another reaction. Today we here with Shenseea, Hit and Run, featuring Masicka and the Genius. Big up yourself. Genius. So, I wake up this morning and I scroll up on the gram and I see a snippet of the other song, yeah. Probably like a 10-second snippet. I think it's about Quest Time or something. Big up Quest Time. And now the comment section, I see mixed reaction there. People say, yo, the song shit. People say the song bad. People say, yo, one more than expect. Make we jump in over there and here with the GSF. Here with the G and Shenseea SF hour. Sorry to interrupt your video, guys. There again with some more promotions, guys. So if you need your videos or your songs to be on the platform, you can follow me on Instagram and send me a message in my DMs. Serious inquiries only, please, if you want prices and stuff like that and you're serious about putting the music out there as a young artist and big artist, same way, you can do that same way by linking up, you see me. Jamaica_verse_gamer on Instagram, you see me. Also, guys, if you have any party you promote and you need promotional prices, also you can link me up for that, you see me. But yeah, let's get back to the video for ourselves. Let's go. Text, we'll get to text.
You think you coulda get in on my feelings? You coulda get me fi settle down. Me give ya hit and run. Me give ya hit and run. Me did only one little dealings. Love you did I look you must sit down. Me give ya hit and run. Me give ya hit and run.
Hold on there. So you can't give me a hit and run too? You can't give me a hit and run to Shen?
Me give ya hit and run. Me give ya hit and run.
Genius. Bust a movie.
You take it too serious. Give a little piece, just a little feel up.
A little piece and a little feel up where you give my hook na. It's a hook him. It's a hooky G. You're driving G crazy. Yeah.
My youth, you take it too serious. Give a little piece, just a little feel up. Now you take a set up on me, I eat up. Give me space, give me room, give me little breeze, no G.
No. Breeze not go on with that the good pum the way I have and that. No breeze, nothing pass through there. Only breeze that pass through there when time me what me do and I go in there. No breeze. Huh? You crazy?
Now you take a set up on me, I eat up.
Text
give me
it.
space, give me room, give me little breeze, no Jesus. I want make you feel so. Throw me keep it tight and me ever clean so. Want me did want, tell me never need you.
There's a difference, you get that? What she said, want me did want you, me never need you. Wants and needs are two different things. You see me? She never needed you, she wanted you. You can't want me to, Shenseea? You can't want me to? Yeah? You can't want me to?
Throw me keep it tight and me ever clean so. Want me did want, tell me never need you. This enough for people know, keep it on a deal.
Me keep it on the down low. Me not I don't kiss and tell. I cross my heart and hope that kiss it cross. God brought me kind of green tree. Me not tell nobody. If you give me some. Me? It must be mad, me dumb. Can't talk.
Want me did want, tell me never need you. This enough for people know, keep it on a deal. Me too young for lockdown with nobody.
Yeah. You're not for lock down with me. No, just lock up with me. Shenseea. Don't lock down. Lock up with me. Lock up.
Me too young for lockdown with nobody. I pray one day somebody keep your company.
Savage as fuck. Savage. Me too long. Me too young for lockdown with nobody. I pray one day somebody keep your company. She's savage, man.
I pray one day somebody keep your company. And a girl like me just want have fun and more money. But you a pre-relationship and that's a no for me.
I promise you, I will never pre a relationship if me there. I would even. I'm not tell nobody. Number one, I'm not tell nobody that the key. Keep it by the low. Me can gym screechy. Yes. Me not have driving a your Lamborghini. No. Me have my Beamer park out the door, so I'm alright with that. Yeah, me can pull up. Yeah, I even get a Uber. Me can get a Uber and come link you. You see me? Yeah. What else? What else you say? Don't get attached? Alright, me not get attached. Me I go de-attach myself. Yeah, just know say yo. I'm if living here all for 9 months.
But you a pre-relationship and that's a no for me. Hey, you think you coulda get in on my feelings? You couldn't get me to settle down.
Genius, big up yourself. Why do I say that song gonna sound good? Me like it. It fucking sound good. It sound good.
Hey, you think you coulda get in on my feelings? You couldn't get me to settle down. Miggy a hit and run. Miggy a hit and run. Me did only one little deal.
Bumbo
Look you must sit down. Miggy a hit and run. Miggy a hit and run.
Long story short, your pussy good and done. Every me see when you pull your jaws down.
Like them not tell me from all these times. From all these times, when I'm tell us the heavens up above. No! No! Masicka tell us heaven in a Shenseea jazz. Masicka tell us heaven in a Shenseea punani. Had this so heaven there. Boy, heaven up there. So no, heaven up there. No, heaven up there.
Story short, your pussy good and
Done.
done. Every me see when you pull your jaws
Done.
Call your phone. Me want some. That y'all tone again. You aren't numb.
Me tell us that she toxic, bro. Me tell us that she toxic. Hot numb. She a call, you call her and she watch him a call me again. 2-9, boom. Hang up call. No, me a pull up on your foot. Yeah, me a pull up on your foot. Yo, me blame you for give me the good pump. Me blame you. You, bumbo clock girl. You me blame. What about?
Call your phone. Me want some. That y'all tone again. You aren't numb. A wicked, you wicked. Boy, turn.
Wicked, why hit and run? Me a call the police. That's a crime. That's a fucking crime. Me a call the police. Hit and run. Blood clot.
Y'all tone again. You aren't numb. A wicked, you wicked. Boy, turn.
Me a real bad bitch, me not cycle down.
Get the bricks a level up. Can't style me, do me up. But me miss how we a fuck.
Yeah, the two we up. The two we bumbo clock up. Me no want nothing from your part for your heaven. Where you have under your blood clot foot. And that me want. And that me need. What can you tell me about second down? Me ask you about second down. Eh?
Me not cycle down.
Get the bricks a level up. Can't style me, do me up. But me miss how we a fuck. Hey.
Me too young for lockdown with nobody. I pray one day somebody keep your company.
No, son,
And a girl like me just want have fun and more money. But you a pre-relationship and that's a no for me. Hey, you think you coulda get in on my feelings?
but soon get you for second down.
Miggy a hit and run. Miggy a hit and run. Me did only one little deal. Love you did I look you must sit down. Miggy a hit and run. 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 Miggy a hit and run.
Me like this. My blood clot like this. Me not care. Me like this. Me not care who don't like it. Me like this song, yeah. Blood clot. Shenseea, big up yourself. Masicka, big up your fucking self, dog. Let's go. Hit and run. Run it again.
You think you coulda get in on my feelings? You coulda get me fi settle down. Miggy a hit and run. Miggy a hit and run. Me did only one little dealings. Love you did I look you must sit down.
Hold on.
Miggy a hit and run. Miggy a hit
Let's
and
go.
run. Hey, my youth, you take it too serious.
Wait.
Give a little piece, just a little feel up.
No.
Now you take a set up on me, I eat up. Give me space, give me room, give me little breeze now.
No.
Jesus, I wanna make you feel so.
What?
Throw me keep it tight, and me ever clean so.
Yeah.
Want me did want, yeah me never need you.
What?
This enough for people know, keep it on a deal.
Alright.
Me too young for lockdown with nobody.
Ah.
I pray one day somebody keep your company.
You're toxic.
And a girl like me just want have fun and more money.
Have fun with me.
Pre-relationship and that's a no for me.
My radio. Yeah.
Hey, you think you coulda get in on my feelings?
What you say?
You couldn't get
you mean?
Me give ya hit and run. Me give ya hit and run.
Call the police.
Me did only one little dealing. Love you did I look your messy down. Me give ya hit and run. Me give ya hit and run.
Long story short, your pussy good and done. Every me see when you pull your dress down. Call your phone, me want some. Dial tone again, your heart numb. How wicked you wicked, boy turn.
Me a real bad bitch, me not cycle down.
Get the bricks a level up, can't style me do me up. But me miss how we a fuck. Hey.
Me too young for lockdown with nobody. I pray one day somebody keep your company.
No, son,
And a girl like me just want have fun and more money. But you a pre-relationship and that's a no for me. Hey, you think you coulda get in on my feelings?
we soon get you for cycle down.
Oh, you mean?
Me give ya hit and run. Me give ya hit and run.
Hey, me soon get off a second on. Go and play hard forget till cocky reach your blood clot to muck. Go and play hard forget till cocky reach your tumok. Then you go come crying to me when feelings start involved. Move your blood clot. Watch. Watch me, yo. Watch.
Hey, you think you coulda get in on my feelings?
We soon get you for cycle down.
But definitely.
Me give ya hit and run. Me give ya hit and run. Me did only one little dealing. Love you did I look your messy down. Me give ya hit and run.
She give me a hit and run. Oh,
Me give ya hit and run.
Genius. Genius. Big up.
Me give ya hit and run. Me give ya hit and run. Me give ya hit and run.
Woo. So, me see people that say, yo, Shenseea fall off. Me see some people that say, yo, Shenseea never find back her roots. Some people that say Shenseea now find no more hit song. What is this? What is this? What more you want from her? Eh? Uno say she this, uno say she that. Now she forward back at Jamaica and give you a song with Masicka. What more you want? Can't please people, you know? Can't please people. Shen, just go and do your thing, mama. Go and do your bum buckler thing, mama. Masicka, big up yourself. Genius! Big up your fucking self, dog. Remember to say you're the genius in the dog. You see me? Yeah. This is my glue down still. If you enjoy that one, I want some more. You know if you do. You know if you do. I'll see you guys in the next one. Yeah!
Jamaica's worst gamer.